The Valve Steam Deck. Everyone is excited about this. The Switch Pro we really wanted. Totally open source, so you can put your own operating system on it, so people are just ecstatic about that. And starting at $399, the possibilities for this thing are endless. And a lot of people are like, oh, the GDP and these other portable consoles, it's going to kill those. It's not. If anything, it's just going to make this whole open source handheld market even better because it will bring more audience there. For all those things, this thing is freaking amazing. Look at these specs coming in 3 different versions. The resolution is good for a handheld. It's everything we wanted in the Switch Pro. The AMD CPU GPU combo is amazing. Good RAM, and with the higher models, you get plenty of storage with expandability as well. It's light. Some people saying some things about where the controls are and things like that, but that's where every other review I saw really ends. And this is why I wanted to make this video, was as a cautionary tale. Because for those of you that don't know, Steam is a legendary, or not legendary, I mean, they're okay, software company, right? They have great sales on games. The system itself is fine. The interface, all those things. But look at their track record for hardware. The Steam controller, poor official support from Valve. It was a nice experiment. A lot of people say, it's glad that they checked it out, but overall, most people would call that a failure. The Steam Link, barely advertised. Remember, you used to be able to get these for $1. Just not that great. Steam Box was supposedly a console killer. Again, kind of a failed thing. And then you have the Vive. One tech demo, and that was all. Now with this Steam Deck, here we are. A Valve Nintendo Switch killer. Surely they will be different from all the other hardware Valve made, right? Surely it will be supported for many years and not just abandoned by Valve and has to be supported by the fan base, right? But, the statement is, like I said earlier, I really think you're going to see some cool custom builds, custom operating system, custom emulation on this thing. So for all those reasons, I'm just saying, everything so far has been, oh my God, it's so amazing, it's great. And don't get me wrong, for all the hackers and things out there who are going to make it their own, it's going to be great. Pre-orders are starting today, actually. I did find this article here on the Steam Deck reservation. I also noticed if you go to the website, they the first model will actually be available way before the other two. Look at this, Q1 versus Q2. So, and a lot of people are saying, don't get this one because it's only 64 gigabytes of eMMC and you can't upgrade, where these ones. So a lot of people are going for the higher models. So that kind of sucks. You might have to wait a little longer. But as far as the FAQs on this, yes, you need a Steam account, but it's free. Do you need Steam to order? Yes, you can cancel your reservation as long as it's within 30 days. So far, you can't do it in India. I noticed a lot of people on Reddit were saying they're upset they can't get it in India. One can be reserved per customer per account. What happens to my reservation fee? It'll be refunded if you don't end up getting it. You have to have a valid Steam account. The default Steam Deck experience requires a Steam account. Games are purchased and downloaded. But they are allowing, like I said, third-party software and operating systems. So back to the Steam Deck and my overall thoughts. If you're really into portable gaming, this is great. Myself, for the kind of portable gaming I do, I think having a good, solid Bluetooth controller and cell phone can do everything I want to do. And then when it comes to AAA games and things like that on a desktop, I personally just prefer a gaming laptop myself, like a 13 or 15-inch gaming laptop. But I definitely understand where the things are. I just wouldn't get, in my personal life, I wouldn't use this very often. It would probably collect dust. But I totally get the use case for this. I totally think it's a Switch killer in those regards. And I really do hope that this is kind of a, back to this photo over here. I really hope it's kind of stops the kind of death ball that they've had going for them. So that's what I think. Let me know what you all think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.